Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to view debit card number on Chase app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply navigate your Chase app from your home screen. So once you have navigated your Chase app, you need to simply tap it open and you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you gotta do now is simply enter your username and password to get signed in into your Chase account. Now, once you're logged in, simply tap on the statements on the top right hand side of the corner, or you can simply go and tap it on from the menu bar. Then simply tap on the statements option and tap on view credit card. So once you have tapped on credit card, all the statements that you have done, like all the transactions that you have done from credit card, will be visible. So you need to simply select a date of statement you want to view, and once you have selected, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you simply zoom into your account summary, you can find the 16-digit debit card number of your Chase card right over there called account number. So this is how you can view your debit card number on Chase app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.